Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your gravy thicker. The most classic and effective method involves creating a roux. A roux is a cooked mixture of fat and flour, which serves as the foundation for many sauces and gravies. You'll typically use 1 tablespoon of fat, like butter or drippings, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour for every 1 cup of liquid you want to thicken. To craft your roux, begin by melting 1 tablespoon of fat, such as butter or pan drippings, in a saucepan over medium heat. Once shimmering, whisk in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it forms a smooth paste. Continue cooking until it reaches your desired color, from a pale blonde to a rich, nutty brown, depending on the flavor you seek. Now it's time to incorporate your liquid. Gradually whisk in cold broth or milk into your hot roux, a little at a time, to ensure a smooth, lump-free gravy. Keep whisking continuously as the mixture heats and begins to thicken. Once it reaches your desired consistency, allow the gravy to simmer gently for at least 5 minutes. This crucial step cooks out any raw flour taste, leaving you with a perfectly smooth and flavorful gravy. To achieve ideal gravy, remember to always add your thickening agent gradually, giving the gravy time to simmer and reach its full potential. Don't rush the process. Patience is key for perfect consistency. Throughout cooking, taste and adjust your seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed to enhance the flavor. For an extra smooth finish, consider straining your gravy through a fine mesh sieve just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.